The Elgoibar Machine Tool Institute is an advanced manufacturing centre which provides specialised training in advanced manufacturing and offers applied innovation services to the manufacturing sector. The IMH trains over 2,000 students annually over a wide range of programmes which cater to the needs of the manufacturing sector for highly qualified staff. In order to do this, the IMH has a team of 90 professionals with wide-ranging technical, methodological and scientific skills. For example, we implement high-performance oriented methodologies and multilingualism, the dual sandwich course model, and offer an integrated program of vocational training courses, continuous training and dual sandwich engineering. In the sphere of applied innovation in the manufacturing sector, the IMH works in partnership with other educational centres, gaining expert knowledge, which is then reapplied in our training programmes, resulting in new services. The IMH aims to serve people and businesses, helping them to shape their own futures. Our future is already on the move. Let's improve it together.